revs your heart, Yamaha.
Mga siklimistas, ako nga pala si Mr. Mel Aquino at nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong segment natin, ang bike review. Ngayon po ay kasama natin ang motorcycle na galing po sa Yamaha Philippines, walang iba kundi ang Yamaha Tri-City 125cc. Ito po ay isa sa mga kauna-unang motorsiklo na naka 3 wheels, no? Front tires niya dalawa, double cantilever suspension, kaya pwede mong iangat yung isang gulong ng nakalapag lang yung isang gulong sa kabila. So kung sa handling ang pag-uusapan natin, dito nagsha-shine ang Tri-City. Masarap siyang iliko, maganda yung kanyang corner handling. Medyo mabigat lang sa una dahil syempre medyo mas mabigat yung kanyang harapan. Pero once na nakuha mo na siya ngayon, yung handling niya, napaka-stable naman po. Pero pag-usapan naman natin yung engine niya, ito ay naka-Diasil at naka-FI. Maganda naman yung kanyang handling. Maganda rin yung power ng motor niya, pero napapansin ko medyo hindi lang siya ganun katulin, no? We travel at 90 kilometers per hour. Bakit dito medyo nararamdaman natin yung bigat niya, yung kanyang weight. Pero overall, napakasarap gamitin, very comfortable. Wala kang masyadong iintindihan pagdating sa corner tsaka sa twisties.
Yamaha Motor Engineering has always pursued the perfection in machine handling. That is why the exclusive LMW or the leaning multi-wheel mechanism is a harmonious integration of a parallelogram link and the cantilevered telescopic suspension. This is also complemented by a unified braking system, features that are not the only advanced in technology but also regarded around the world. Tri-City was conceptualized with the idea of it being smart for all, a creation that was in pursuit of redefined dynamism. Yamaha's own design philosophy, the design element of the machine reflects its modernity and elegance, giving an impression of dynamic movement, a look of confident intelligence that beautifully envelopes the rider. Optimized frame design, 50-50 weight distribution. The frame is designed with weight-reducing technology for a riding ease and maneuverability, rigidity, and space for the rider. It has a liquid-cooled engine 125cc with a continuous variable transmission. Diasil cylinder created for a high-strength, high reliability, and stable engine performance. It has the YM Jet FI optimum fuel efficiency for low consumption, quick response, and environment friendly. It also has the answer back key. When the key button is pressed, the front and rear lights flash and an electronic sound is generated, making it easier to find the vehicle's location. It also had the LED position lights. The position light lenses emphasize the Tri-City's distinctive, modern, and elegant design theme. At night, these lights provide good visibility that allows the unit to be better seen on the road. It has a 20-liter capacity storage compartment that can hold a Yamaha genuine half-face helmet, also other items. A fully digital LCD instrument panel includes a clock, an air temperature gauge, and other features. Luggage hook located in front panel for easier placement of different valuables. The taillight, an energy-efficient LED tail light that provides good visibility.
So muli po, ito po ang ating bike review. This is Mr. Mel Aquino, Siklistas, balik sa inyo. Yee!